Hey mga kaibigan, imagine this. You have been hitting snooze every morning for a decade, munching on lechon during every fiesta, and scrolling TikTok until midnight. Sound familiar? But what if I told you that one disciplined year can undo all that mess? Yes, you heard it right. One disciplined year can undo a decade of bad habits. I'm Lan from the hashtag Walk with Lan, your your coach for today. And we are turning that quote into your reality right here in the Philippines. Stick around for a couple of minutes of game-changing tips that I'll make you feel unstoppable. If you're ready to level up, smash that like button now. First off, let's break down this powerful idea. Bad habits like procrastination or overeating build up over years because our brains love routines. They are wired for efficiency. In the Philippines, think about it. That Filipino time habit from always running late in traffic or skipping workouts because of humid weather. But science backs this up. Neuroplasticity means your brain can rewire itself. Studies from UP psychologists show that consistent discipline for 12 months can override all neutral pathways. It's like resetting your phone after years of glitches. Manny Pacquiao turned his street kid habits into world champ discipline in just a year of focused training. If he can do it amid Philippine hardships, so can you. Inspiring, right? Let's get into how. Now, let's pinpoint those decade long habits holding us back. Here in the Philippines, common ones include procrastination, mamaya na mentality, especially with work from home or traffic excuses, unhealthy eating, rice overload, adobo addictions, and fiesta binges, leading to that tabachoy feeling. Poor sleep, late night teleserye marathons or K-dramas, ignoring our tropical early sunrises. Financial impulsivity, buying gadgets on installment without saving, common in our consumer culture. Lack of exercise, skipping walks because ang init or family duties eat up time. Okay, informative tip tayo. A 2025 DOH survey shows 60% of Filipinos struggle with this. But the good news, discipline isn't about perfection. It's about progress. Imagine, erasing 10 years of bahala na with 1 year of kaya ko ito. Step 1, shift your mindset. Discipline starts in the head. Ask yourself, bakit? Why do you want to change? For your family, to afford that dream, Boracay Vakay, or to be like Jose Rizal, who disciplined himself to write revolutions amid chaos. Grab a notebook or your phone notes app and write your big why. Make it Pinoy, personal, like providing better for your kids despite inflation. My friend in Quezon City quit smoking after a year of discipline. Now he is running marathons in Luneta. He started with daily affirmations. Ako ang boss ng buhay ko. Try it. It's engaging and fun. Next, habit stacking. Link new good habits to old ones. In Philippines, ang buhay natin dito sa Pilipinas, stack a 10-minute walk after your morning kape or meal prep. Healthy pinakbet instead of fast food during lunch breaks. Use free apps like Google Calendar or local ones like GCash for budgeting reminders. Track daily. Aim for 365 days. Motivating challenge natin. Join online Pinoy communities on Facebook like Filipino Fitness Warriors for accountability. Bayanihan spirit. Remember, 1 year of tracking undid my decade of lazy evenings. Now I read books instead of scrolling. Obstacles. We've got plenty, typhoons, family fiestas, or that endless MRT line. But here's how to beat them. First of all, temptation. Swap halo-halo for fruit shakes during merienda. Time crunch, ha? Use jeepney commutes for podcasts on discipline. I recommend Pinoy success stories. And of course, this one, hashtag walk with land. Setbacks natin, ha? Forgive yourself. Filipinos are resilient like after Yolanda. We were able to survive that, no? Ondoy. Inspiring quote, ha? Fall 7 times, stand up 8. Our proverb in action. What's your biggest obstacle? Comment down below and let's motivate each other. Discipline, ha? Your body and mind. Start with 30 minutes of exercise daily. Jog in your barangay or Zumba via YouTube. For diet, go for more gulay and less kanin. Try the DASH diet adapted for Pinoy taste from PhilHealth guidelines. Mental side naman, meditate 5 minutes a day to combat stress from work or politics. Pero contrary to that, our channel is also into politics. Okay? A 2026 study from Ateneo shows disciplined routines cut anxiety by 40%. Motivating win. Imagine fitting into old jeans after a year. No more lumaki ako excuses. To inspire you, meet Maria from Cebu. Decade of junk food habits, but 1 year of disciplined meal planning. She lost 20 kilos and started a sari-sari store side hustle. Or one from Davao, quit gaming addiction by stacking study habits, now a top engineer. These stories prove it. In the Philippines, where we thrive on discarte, 1 year changes everything. You are next. Okay, wrapping up, ha? One disciplined year erases a decade of bad habits. My dear subscribers, supporters, and viewers, start today. That is the mindset. Stacking, overcoming, health. You have got the Pinoy grit. Okay, so if this motivated you, like, subscribe, and I won't be shy in telling you that our goal is for us to get 100,000 subscribers at the end of the year. I hope you can be able to help us, my dear friends, ladies and gentlemen, and subscribers and supporters. And of course, share this with a friend who's mamaya na lang. Comment your first step below. Salamat sa panonood. Let us make 2026 your breakthrough year. Remember mga kaibigan, discipline is freedom. See you next time. Paalam, mabuhay po kayong lahat.